Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about RV living full-time and kind of answer some of the questions that I get asked often, whether it's online, offline, whatever, just from people who kind of know what I'm doing and know this journey that Tyler and I are on. So I think a lot of times people wonder, how long will we RV full-time? And you know, that question's kind of funny because I don't even know that we know the answer to that question. Obviously, I talked a little bit about why we're RVing, which is basically so we can pay off debt and save up some money and hopefully be able to build our dream home one day. But I guess I should say, how long will we RV? I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna stay in this camper until we pay off all of our debt, or if we're just gonna stay in it a year, or I don't know if next week I'll decide I don't want to do this anymore and I want to sell my camper. Like, I don't really know how long we plan to stay in this camper. But, well, I'll say, I don't really know the exact number or how long we will for sure stay in this camper, but I can kind of tell you what our plan is. So, if you follow all of my videos or just watch all my videos, you know that I'm very open about our financial journey. I feel that so many people can learn from us and from the things that I have learned, and it's something I'm super passionate about. And so, basically, our plan, if we stick to plan, our debt will be paid off in hopefully about 2 years. So I guess about a year and a half from now, maybe a little bit over a year and a half from now. So that is our plan. Our plan is, once we get to that point, we will start talking about what we're going to do next. Are we going to sell this? Are we going to continue to live in it so we can save up more money? So I don't really know, but my goal is to at least make it for another year and a half, and then hopefully either move into a rental home or maybe buy a home. I don't know. So when I say we do this so that we can build our dream home, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to build our dream home as soon as we're done doing this. It kind of just means that we're going to get financially stable, get on the right foot, and then be able to build a dream home a lot sooner than we would be able to if we hadn't have done this journey. And I want to say, I know this is like an RV living video, but I want to say, because I hear this a lot, is sometimes people say, like, I wish I could do that. Like, I wish I could pay off my debt and live like that. Or not necessarily live in an RV, but I wish I could think like that, or start paying off debt. I wish I could do that. You can do it. Trust me. If you want whatever you want in life, especially if it comes to like finances or, you know, where you want to be, like, you can do whatever you want to do. You don't have to think like me. You don't have to have the same traits or, you know, characteristics that I do. You don't have to be super organized. I truly think that anyone can do what it takes to pay off your debt and to, I guess, get the mindset and embark on this journey. And I also think that anyone can live in an RV. That might be hard to say because I know, like, some people, you might have certain restrictions or reasons why you can't, but I truly think that if you wanted to live in an RV, that there's some RV out there, or you could build a tiny home, even though that's a lot more expensive, and I think you could customize it to where it works for you. But I will say, it doesn't mean that it's ideal for everyone. I think anyone could do it, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it would make everybody happy. Going back to the original topic of this video, which is how long will we do it? I will be honest and say that I'm not always happy living in this space. This space is not... There's not a lot of space, that's just it. So it doesn't mean that I'm not happy with the overall journey. I think I'm happy with it, but sometimes it just gets frustrating to live in such a small space, to want more, to want a home, to want a really functional kitchen. Like, that stuff I think is natural. So, I mean, I don't know that this is something that I want to do for a really, really long time. I definitely think it's something that is temporary for us. But, so that's kind of like our plan. Hopefully we'll make it in here another year and a half. If things change and we're not happy, then I'm not saying I won't sell the camper and I won't move out. I don't think we would fail at it. I just think that we would be doing what would make us happy. And I think that's ultimately the most important, is to do what makes you happy and to focus on you and not on what other people think or what other people want for your life. So that is kind of my thoughts for today. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these topics, and also if you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting this channel. I love making videos for you all, so I hope that you all will come back and watch my next video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Oh yeah. Don't you know we're getting old for this game? So why you keep playing?